Hello genius, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Philip Explaining. So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve this nice amazing geometry problem. We have the figure here. This is a quadrilateral. As you can see, we have the circle inside this quadrilateral. We have been given the distance from this point to this point as x, from this point to this point as 38 units. From this point, this is the radius, this point to this point O as r, that's the radius of the circle. From this point to this point as 27 points. And we have been asked, or we are required to determine two values: the value of x, this x, if r, or when r is 10 units. Then in Roman 2, we have been asked, or we are required to find the value of r, this r, when x is 25 units. Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest possible method of solving this. This gives you a reason to continue watching till the end of the video. So, as I have mentioned earlier on, that this, from this point to this point is 27, from this point to this point is 38. You have to remember some properties of this particular such a problem. That this line here, from this point to this point, is a tangent to the circle, as you can see. Also, this one is a tangent. It's a tangent. It's a tangent. They are touching these particular points of a circle, of this circle. Are we there? So, first of all, we shall start by relating these two tangents, this one and this one. This tangent here and this one. And you have to remember this, that tangents to a circle from an outside point are congruent. I mean that the distance from this point, in this case, for example, the distance from this point to this point is 27. It's equal or the same as the distance from this point to this point, where this tangent is touching this circle. So from this point to this point is also 27 as from this point to this point. That's what it means by tangent to a circle from an outside point are congruent. So if from this point if from this point to this point is 27, and from this point to this point is 38, what's the distance from this point to this point? The distance from this point here to this point, or I can label it and say this is point A, this point B, this point C, D. Can call this point Q, you can call this point P. Are we there? Okay, so I'm saying that since the distance from Q, or the length from Q to B is 27, the length from B to P will also be 27. And now, if the distance from B to D, BD is 38 and BP is 27, it means that DP or PD is DB minus PB. That is 38 minus 27, we get 11 here. Are we there? Still on the same principle or property, that tangents to a circle from an outside point are congruent. It means, are you seeing this one from this PD and this one? You can label this M. Are you seeing this line here and this line here behaves the same as this QB and BP? Are you there? So if here is 11, here is also 11, since they are congruent. Are we there? This M MD and PD are congruent, just as QB and PB are congruent to each other. Are we there? After that, let's see. We are saying that we'll have to remember that a tangent is perpendicular to the radius of a circle drawn to the point of contact. I mean, are you seeing the length from this point to this point is the radius, and this line AC is the tangent, meaning that this line AC meets the radius at right angles. The same case, if we draw a tangent here, a radius here, sorry, that way, this is also a radius. Are we there? This is also a radius, meaning that this radius meets line QB at 90 degrees. Let's start by solving Roman 1. Roman 1, it is the value of x. The value of x if r is 10. So the radius is 10. Let's start by solving that. The radius is 10, meaning here is also 10. Are we there? And they are meeting, this radius meets this line QB at 90 degrees, meaning here is also 90 degrees, here is also 90 degrees. Are we there? So if here is 90, here is 90, it means that this angle here is also 90 degrees. This angle here is also 90 degrees. So you can confidently say that this is a square. So if this is a square, it means that this line is equals to this, is equals to this, is equals to this. Meaning that here is also 10, here is also 10. Are we there? Hope you understand the genius. It's also 10 units. After that, we shall also drop the radius from this point to meet this line CD at M. We shall drop from point 0, that's the center of the circle. Applying the same property that a tangent is perpendicular to the radius drawn to the point of contact. This is the radius R and it is 10. Are we there? So, and we are saying that the radius from the center of the circle, when it meets with the tangent to the circle at a point, are we there? They make 90 degrees. They are perpendicular to each other. So meaning that this angle is 90. But remember, this angle here is also 90, and here we have been given in the question as 90 degrees. Meaning that this angle is also 90 degrees, since the interior angle of this figure here will be 360 degrees. Either this plus this plus this plus this, you get 360 degrees, meaning that this is also a square. So if here is 10, here is 10, and this is a square, all sides of a square are equal. So here is also 10, here is also 10. CM is also 10 units. Are we there? So we can confidently say that x is equals to x is that CD, either CD, that is and CD is equals to CM plus MD, and CM is 10 units, as you can see. Then MD is 11 units. So CD is 21, and that is x. So x is equals to 21 units. Are you there? Roman 2, we were to find the value of R. That is Roman 2. To find the value of R when, or if x is equals to 25. Are you there? So we're looking at this figure here. When x is 25, that is CD is 25. What's the value of R? You have said that that x is equals to CD, and CD is CM plus MD. So MD will remain the same, MD will remain the same, and this CD, not CD but CM gives us the radius. It's the same as the radius. As you can see here, CM is the same as this radius here. Are you seeing? It's the same. So here is 10, here is 10. So CM gives us the radius. So we shall say that CD is equals to radius plus MD. But our MD is 11. MD is 11. So CD, that is X, which is equals to 25 here, is equals to radius plus MD, which is 11. So 25 is equals to R plus 11. R is equals to 25 minus 11. R becomes 14 units. Hope you understand, genius. Hope you understand what I'm doing here. Thank you so much for visiting my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please make sure you do subscribe. If you have not. Let's meet in the next video. Take care, genius. Bye.